Hello, welcome to BizWorld Global. I'm Simon Chong, as Director of Product Division of the BizWorld Group. I'm so happy today because I have this opportunity to share one of the amazing product, Alpha Spin, with you. Do you know that the human have a proper and optimal frequency that occur when each of the body cell vibrate at the desired frequency to maintain the normal body regulation for health? According to some research findings, the frequency of electromagnetic wave, EMF, or radiation interfere with the normal body system such as brain coordination function. Frequencies are measured in hertz, which are the number of wave cycles per second at which a frequency vibrates. Lower frequencies generated by the Earth are considered to be healthy for humans, while some higher frequencies are harmful, such as ultraviolet radiation, which can cause skin inflammatory due to the free radical issue. Ladies and gentlemen, basically our body cells work in biomagnetic, living and multiplying in harmony with the Earth resonating frequency, which vary from 7.83 Hz to 33.8 Hz, known as the Schumann's resonance. The scientists have discovered that there is only very narrow range of the frequency, or known as biological windows, to which brain cells able to respond to the body system. In other words, within these biological windows, humans, plants, and animals able to grow and function properly with a positive reaction in life. Outside of these windows, some frequencies appear to be neutral, and some others may giving a negative effect to the long-term health problems. Unfortunately, our modern technology such as the wireless computing and mobile phone tower create high amount of electro smoke, which now interrupts our connection to the Earth's natural magnetic field. For example, the mobile phones range from 800 MHz to 3 GHz are far outside of the biological windows. We might not feel the intermediate effect of the electro smoke. There is a growing body of the scientists that report we are all being harmed by this frequency emitted from our modern invention, such as the mobile phones tower, remote control devices, wireless internet service, Wi-Fi, and some microwave-related electrical products. This is the data source from the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers Journal on Microwave Theory and Techniques regarding to the radiation penetration power from electromagnetic frequency EMF among the human to the brains. The 5-year-old kids with the skull thickness with 0.5 mm able to absorb more radiation from the mobile phone, which can increase the thermal effect to the brain and increase the free radical formation, and this may damage the healthy brain cell. Therefore, it may increase the risk of the brain's coordinating issue, including poor concentration power, low learning ability, unstable of emotion, headache, extreme tiredness, and some chronic diseases. So, what is Alpha Spin? Alpha Spin is a device that has been embedded with powerful resonance frequency that is able to transfer spinning energy through resonance to enhance quality of life, restoring harmony by assisting the body to optimize biological function by means of using spinning energy. The result is the quantum energy field that allows for a harmonizing the alpha wave frequency as result to promote better coordinating between the body cell, thus to maintain the best optimum health of the body system. Based on the laboratory finding by the RF Exposure Lab, United States, alpha spin has been tested able to reduce the mobile phone radiation by both the alpha spin and the quantum energy field. It can harmonizing the frequency surrounding to the body to form alpha wave frequency, which similar to the natural Earth's frequency or the Schumann frequency with 7.83 Hz. As the key of the alpha wave frequency of the body to function properly in the body integration, mental coordination, and alertness, and etc. Therefore, alpha spin is a wellness tool to protect you and your family from the interference of EMF while you still can enjoy the modern invention in your daily life. Alpha spin also able to form the structured water by restructuring the water cluster to form smaller cluster for better body absorption, thus to improve the microcirculation effect in your body. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the structured water cluster which captured by the Masaru Emoto Laboratory, Japan, from the alpha spin treated water. The alpha spin water looks like natural and unpolluted water source, which most of the water cluster in structural condition provide a better hydrating ability to the body cell, thus to improve the blood circulation in our body system. This is the live blood test analysis. Under the observation by microscope, the red blood cell look inactive under the oxygen deficiency condition. The oxygen and nutrient supply to the body will become an issue due to the poor blood circulation. However, we have done the live blood test analysis again after taking alpha spin structured water for 5 minutes. The red blood cell look more active in blood, carrying more oxygen and nutrient to every single body cell, thus to improve the body cell vitality for optimum health. Alpha spin may bring a lot of the health benefit to you by improving your blood circulation. You may feel better stamina and reduce the tiredness feeling all day. Your health issue may getting improved after your blood pressure and your blood sugar level and oxygen supply has been improved to a better blood circulation. Alpha spin also help to improve the sleep quality among the people who suffer from physiological sleep disorder. Alpha spin help to harmonize the frequency to be alpha and beta wave frequency, which can promote better deep sleep and relaxing the central nervous system during your sleep. Just play 4 alpha spin along the corner of your sleeping mattress. The harmonizing environment will giving you a better sleep quality to recharge your body. You will feel more energetic and good feeling after wake up on the next morning. What is other benefit which you can get from the alpha spin? Alpha spin can improve absorption and increase the hydration of skincare product for better skin health and beauty, especially reduce the fine line and wrinkle on your face. It also can be used as a reflexology tool to facilitate the flow of the body energy. Besides that, alpha spin also can improve the plant growth and improve the freshness of the vegetable and fruits. Alpha spin is safe for application for everyone. It makes of the suppressed technical engineer class and has been tested free of the radiation and heavy metal. Set up the quantum energy field with the 4 alpha spin for your home space. Keep using the alpha spin to produce more structured water in your daily life, enjoying the health benefit from the Alpha Spin for you and for your family. Stay strong and healthy with Alpha Spin. See you guys in Beast World soon.